Hello everyone. So if you want to change your country and your location on the Play Store, here's how to do that. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now let's tap on our profile icon at the top right corner. Now we are to press payments and subscriptions. Then we gotta press on payment methods. Great, here press more payment settings. After that, let's tap on the three lines at the top left corner and press settings. So here, choose country/region, tap on this pencil icon and press create new profile. Press continue. Now choose the desired country or region. Press continue. So make sure that your account type is set on individual if you're just an individual, and let's enter our address. So enter your address. All right, so sometimes if it recognizes the address, this may not happen, so make sure that you have it. You will have your city and postal code entered automatically. So here is our city, our postal code. If it's not happening, simply enter it manually and press submit. Now, give your phone some time to apply the changes and press view profile. Great, as you see, everything changed. So that's how it works. Now we have new country added to our payment center, and now the Google Play and Play Store will think that we are in another country, as well as the regional prices will be applied as well. Use it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.